amazing grace. Nyasha zenyu Baba,
look where you brought me from.
Look where I am today.
It was your grace, Jehovah.
Nyasha Dzamwari,
Nyasha.
hey, amazing grace. Come on, everybody. Come on, everybody. Come on, everybody. Oh.
I was lost, but you came looking for me. Dirimurima, you became my light. When I was weak, you carried me. Pandakawa makandisi muda. I didn't deserve such mercy, but still you called me by my name. Through every valley, every season, your love for me remained the same.
The same. Now when I look at where I came from, there's only one thing I can say. Handina kushika ne simba rangu,
I made it by your grace.
handina kushika ne uchenjeri wangu.
I made it by your grace.
Muri mwari we Nyasha, muri mwari we Rudo.
Jehovah, we give you praise. Amazing grace, Nyasha Dzamwari,
Look what your grace
has done for me.
Dakangandarasika,
Now I am found.
dakangandiribofu.
Now I see.
Hey,
Amazing grace, Nyasha Dzamwari.
you lifted me up, you turned me around.
Makandisi muta.
Damira nasi,
Nyasha, Nyasha,
Hadziperi
Nyasha, zenyu grace, grace.
amazing grace. Hey. So many times I almost gave up. Guva zhinji ndakati zvapera. But every time I fell to the ground, ruoko rwenyu rwakandisimudza. Hey! Through the fire, through the rain, you never left me in my pain. Kuchema kwakagara usiku, but joy came with the morning again.
Morning came, joy came.
I'm still standing, I'm still praising,
Not because I'm strong.
but because your grace keeps carrying me.
Kana iri Nyasha,
Tadzikamuchira,
kana iri Rudo. Taruona,
kana iri siti,
tadzione.
saka tosimudza maoko edu. Toti thank you, Jehovah.
Tinotenda, tinotenda.
Tinotenda Jehovah.
Amazing grace, Nyasha Dzamwari,
Look what your grace
has done for me.
dakangandarasika,
Now I am found.
dakangandiribofu.
Now I see. You lifted me up, you turned me around. Makandisi muda. Damira nasi. Nyasha, Nyasha, Hadziperi Nyasha, zenyu
Grace,
grace.
amazing
Who
grace.
kept me? Jehovah kept me. Dianya kandisi muda. Jehovah mwari. When I was
You
broken,
restored me,
anakangandarasika.
makandiwana.
When there was no way,
You made a way.
anakanganisina tariro. Makandipa tariro. So what do we call?
What do we call?
What do we call it?
Nyasha.
Nyasha, Nyasha, Nyasha. Amazing grace. If one day I stand before you and you ask me how I made it through, I won't say it was my power. I won't say I always knew what to do.
Ichati Nyasha dzenyu dzakanditakura kusvika pano pandakanga ndisisina simba.
My